Login failed on Emma Business Fix. You try logging into your Emma Business account to check spending analytics or linked accounts, but suddenly, login failed pops up. It's frustrating, but don't worry, this issue is common, and you can fix it quickly with a few smart steps. The first thing to do is check your credentials. Most people get this wrong, but even one small typo can block your login. Make sure your email address and password match exactly. If you've forgotten your password, tap Forgot Password. Emma will send a secure reset link to your registered email. Follow it to create a new password. If that doesn't work, check for app updates. Outdated versions of Emma can cause login errors, especially after new security releases. Go to your App Store or Google Play, update the app, and restart your phone. Next, review your internet connection. Emma requires a secure connection to protect your financial data. Avoid public Wi-Fi or VANs, which may trigger login security flags. Switch to a stable home or mobile network and try again. If you're logging in on the web, clear your browser cache and cookies or open Emma in a private window. This helps remove any outdated login data that might cause conflicts. Another possible cause is linked account authorization. If you've connected Emma to your bank or financial provider, expired permissions can block login attempts. Reconnect your linked accounts once you regain access. Also, check your inbox. If Emma detected suspicious activity, it might temporarily lock your account for safety. Follow the security verification steps in that email to restore access. Once you're back in, enable biometric or two-factor authentication for faster, safer logins in the future. Most login failures come down to small, fixable issues: a password error, an outdated app, or a poor connection. By following these simple steps, you'll be back inside your Emma Business account in minutes, ready to manage your finances without interruption.